morning, welcome back to Expat Crib. My name is Ian, and today we are in El Retiro, Colombia, in the apartment that I actually live in. And this is the prototype for Expat Crib, what myself and my business partner Camilo had in mind for the ultimate retiree apartment. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, this might work for some people, might not work for other people, but we have an elevator right in the apartment. We had to get creative, but the other prototypes we have actually have stairs, but this one has an elevator, which we'll go up a little bit later. Let's take a look here at the kitchen. Really nice appointed kitchen. Again, this is pretty much I guess it would be considered a one bedroom over here. You could actually wall this in if you wanted to, or we call it a studio, the ultimate studio apartment. So, and one of the things that I love the most about this apartment is, as you will see here, the epic views. The beautiful views of El Retiro. And the great thing about this apartment is it's actually super light-filled apartment. You can open up the doors here. Have an amazing outside view. Fresh air in the morning. As we know, the city of Medellin is not always the freshest, but out here, listen to the birds. So I love it out here because of the temperature. The temperature is about 15 at night, so you can still use, as you can see here, a down comforter. You don't need aircon here, and you don't need heat in the city. It's a perfect temperature. In the daytime, it would go up to around 24 degrees. 24, 25, 26 would be probably extreme here. But again, it's the perfect temperature just to wear a t-shirt and not, when you're walking around in town, sweat too much. So that's what I love about El Retiro. Again, we'll take another look at the kitchen here. I'm going to have a montage of clips throughout the day here. I'm going to film throughout the day just so you can see it. We're just past 9 o'clock in the morning here. Again, a lot of light in this place. You're probably wondering where the bathroom is. Well, the washroom is right here, hidden behind the wall. And there's a beautiful rain shower right here, and you actually have a washroom upstairs also. So we didn't get to the upstairs. Just going to take another look here at the walk-in closet. So plenty of storage space here, as you can see. This apartment has been a dream to live in. But again, we want to move on to our next project. We'd like to do a small building with 3 different layouts. This would be the small one, the studio. But the key to this apartment is the top floor. Entertainment deck. So this is my upstairs kitchen here, complete with my morning routine, a jacuzzi with a world-class view. Let's investigate a little bit more here. Check out this view. A little later in this video, I'll give you some clips of the town here. Retiro's an up-and-coming town that will be a city eventually. There's about 30,000 people. Again, as I said, this is only 35 minutes from the city of Medellin, but clean air, super safe up here. You can walk anywhere, no problems. The bus station is only about a 5-minute walk from here, so you got cheap transport if you don't have a car. There is parking with this apartment. It has 1 parking space. But again, you can see I'm living the dream. I love this little space, but it's time for us to build a few more. Right now, we're currently doing some development in Las Palmas, a few homes up there, but we would love to move on to doing a building with units like this. So if you're interested, you can contact us through expatcrib.com/contact, and I'll put all the details for this apartment in the description below the video. But this is the morning. I'll show the apartment throughout the day. So let's take a look a little bit later. All right, here we go. So you got a brief look at the kitchen this morning, complete with microwave right here. There's actually space right here for an oven, but we haven't put the oven in. But an oven can go in here. You've got your stove with your overhead hood range here. And again, nice amount of counter space here. I actually use it for my computer. most of the time. Really nice sink, big sink. Sorry, it's a little black, but trust me, it is a big sink. Again, plenty of counter space here on the island. This apartment is perfect for one person, possibly two. Again, the main room. This is a studio that could be made into a one bedroom. Washroom. Again, complete with a rain shower. Really nice furniture. Again, this would be sold as is with everything. All the furniture included, king size bed. And then you've got your walk-in closet here. Again, it's really good to see a place at night and during the day. So let's go up to the entertainment deck. I love this deck at night. It's got a beautiful ambient. And you've got your outdoor kitchen here, complete with barbecue, jacuzzi tub. Have to fire it up. TV. This is an amazing deck for entertainment. Take one more look at the washroom here, the upstairs washroom. And you've got a rain shower up here also. And then you've got your washer dryer combined, which I'm using right now. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little apartment tour as usual. This is one we're really passionate about selling. It's our prototype, and we want to get on to building more units like this one here. For the ultimate expat crib. Let me fire up the jacuzzi. So there we go. It'll be ready in a few minutes. So again, the ultimate entertainment deck up here. And I wanted you to see it at night because it has such a beautiful ambient. All right, this is Ian from Expat Crib in the Expat Crib. We will see you in the next video.